Okay, we're moving through. Let's go on to the next step. Now we had Intellij IDE. Let's run that. You finished installing it, and it'll come up and say, do you want to make some projects? I say, yeah, I would like a new project. Okay, let's give it a name, and we'll say first time project. Okay, we'll ignore these things. Make sure you have Java checked off and IntelliJ checked off. And then next it's going to say JDK, the Java Development Kit. So this is the code that actually is the language Java. We don't have that installed yet. We have IntelliJ, which is a tool for working with Java, but we don't actually have Java on our computer yet. So we're going to click this drop-down arrow, and you're going to go to the choice that says download the JDK. Click on that. It says which JDK, because they keep improving it all the time. So a committee gets together, and we started with like Java 7, and now they're up to 21. So we're not going to do many features that are different from 11 to 21, but it's a good habit, take the latest. So you're going to click off 21 and say download it. Okay, I already did this, so I'm not going to bother. Okay, now it says add sample code. Yeah, that's a good thing. That'll give us a little example of what Java looks like. And create. Okay, so here we are with IntelliJ now knowing Java and having written a first program for us. So you see the structure over here. There are some things, .idea, things we don't know about, external libraries and scratches and IML. It's all right. Don't be thrown. You don't need to know all this to get started. So here's the source code, which is a great movie with Jake Gyllenhaal. If you haven't seen source code, definitely go out and get source code. So here's source code, and under here the C and a big star is main. So let's double click on main, and here's a Java program. Okay, some of the words are in purple, some of the words are in yellow, some are orange, some are green. Like, it's really colorful, and that all has meaning. But for right now, we'll just take a look at it. So it says things we don't understand, then main, and then something about strings, and then something we can kind of make sense of. System out print. Hello world. So, okay, I bet I know what this is going to do. We'll go to the green arrow. We'll say run it. Chug, chug, chug. And look what pops up on the bottom. It says, okay, I did java.exe. I ran the Java compiler on your program, which was located here, and it spit out hello world. It printed the things inside the double quotes down here, and that's your introduction to programming. Congratulations, it's a very big day in your career. And so let's pause there, and we'll move on to plugins in the next video. You're doing great.